Hey there friends, on today's video we're going to be adding a little home button to our navigation on our Squarespace website. It's actually really easy. Let's do it right now. Okay, so I'm currently in my Squarespace website backend, meaning I can do all my editing functions. And I've clicked just on my web pages here. And as you click on your pages area, you get a little navigation area over here. And what we're looking for is the main navigation. So as you can see, I already have a little home button. And what you do is you basically just click the plus button here. And it's going to give you a few options. And as you can see, we want to move down to the very bottom right here, which is link to pages or external sites. I'm going to click on this. It's going to bring up a little box for us. So here's where you're going to title the button that you want people to use to go back to the home page. In this case, I'll do Home To, just so we can differentiate between the one I already made. And then here's where you can choose. Now, you can actually make this go to an external link, like if you have another website that you want people to go to, or you can hit this little gear icon. And as you can see, you have a few other options here. So what I'd like to do is actually come over here to the page button, and then I'm going to click on page. And this is going to allow me to link to one of my pages I've already created. In this case, I'll just hit the home button again. Now again, you can actually see you can turn on open in a new window if you want to, and this will ensure that button opens up the web page in a brand new browser window for folks when they click that. Again, over here you can also see you can have it open up a file, a phone application, or an email can be brought up that people can actually use within their email service on their computer. So once you have the correct page here, we're just going to click on the save. And then once I click save again, you can see that it will show up right there in my browser window. Now again, if I want to delete these, all I have to do is come over here, click on the gear icon, and then click the delete link button, and this will actually delete things. Now again, a home button is a little bit old school, and usually people know to go ahead and click on your logo or this area up here on your website. That's kind of usually the default home screen. But again, having a home button is something that can really, really help if in the future you would like to have that for your specific client that maybe you're working on this for. Friends, hope that helps. If it has, hit that thumbs up button and stay tuned because we got a bunch more Squarespace tutorial videos that are coming up really soon. Thanks so much for watching.